Sasabay ko na si Ann. Doon ka na! Doon ka muna!
Di ka...
Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. And for today, ang gagawin natin is something na kakaiba rin. So, nahulaan nyo na ba? Ang gagawin natin? Ang gagawin natin, something to do with my outfit. So, see? So, gagawa tayo ng UBE iced latte. So guys, let's prepare the espresso shot for our UBE latte. Milk tea. Okay, now let's extract. For our main ingredient, we have ice cream, UBE ice cream. And then, we have 1 shot of espresso, milk, sugar syrup, and ice. So, that's all. Napakasimple po nito. So, now, what we're going to do is to add all the ingredients dito. So, we have the espresso, then 2 jiggers of milk. Actually, guys, kahit anong milk pwede. Depende sa inyo. Okay, and then after that, we add about 2 jiggers of water. So, actually, ito depende sa inyo kung gusto niyo ng mas matamis or medyo mas matabang siya. And 1 jigger of simple syrup. Bakit 1 jigger? Kasi meron na po tayo ice cream. So, yung ice cream medyo matamis na siya and we don't want to overpower the taste of the ube kasi siya yung star or bida dito sa ating drink. So, once na okay na mix na natin, let's set this aside. And now, what we're going to do is we scoop this ice cream, ube ice cream. Scoop natin siya dito. Okay. So, as much as possible, generous amount kasi ito yung magpapalasa sa ating latte. So, what we're going to do is, we make pahit-pahit siya all over the, pahit-pahit all over the cup, like this. Yan. So, pahit-pahit lang siya para din design to look more attractive. So, yan. So, ito na siya. Then, after that, we add ice. So, ito na yung ice natin. Kasi, ice ube latte. Diba? So, we add ice. And then, last, let's stir it last time. Then stir it one last time before pouring it dito sa ating cup. There. So now, here's our iced ube latte. Diba? Looks so yummy. Medyo kakaiba siya. So, sino ang mahilig sa kape? Sino mahilig sa ice cream? Hindi ako mahilig masyado sa ice cream, pero mahilig ako sa purple. So, it's kinda the same. Thank you guys for watching.